guys, it's the Challenge Seekers. Today we're playing Build a Boat for Treasure. So we're all on the pink team and we're gonna build a boat for treasure.
I think I have a jet. I have 2 chests. Should I open them?
Oh my gosh.
I have 4 chests.
Those are just a few placed. You don't open those.
Guys, I have cake. I have 10 cakes. Same. How do you have cake?
I don't think so.
Do you guys have
Well, that is what I
do you
just
guys
said.
have engines? Like good engines?
Yeah. I got a big white one.
A white one?
Yeah, big white one.
I got these ones.
Those aren't good.
The chair's not?
The chair is not an engine.
Wait. I have 8 of those wood things. So we all put our chairs together, right?
Can you put... Not right now, Mateo. We're literally just building it right now. Ava, what are you doing?
I'm not doing that.
Mateo,
I by accident did that.
that is not organized.
Wait, will you help me on mine?
Yeah.
I can't.
Mateo, what are you doing? Mateo, you're ruining it.
I only did that one.
Thank you, Kylie. I do not know how to build.
Okay, Mateo, let me see yours.
The boat looks so cool.
Oh, there's a plane, guys.
How did a plane get here?
How about
I
let's
think
use
it crash landed.
Let's use
Let's
it.
go on it, guys. Oh my god. Is there a door?
Let's try to get inside of it and then I'll do
No,
a
there's
ship.
guys in here. The guys in here. There's a guy in here.
Wait, Kylie, did you get in?
No.
Guys, get out. I don't know how to get out.
Me and Ava want to get in.
How did you get in?
I walked in through the door. That door.
Stop.
I can fire, guys. Let me in.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, God.
Mateo, you're gonna die.
Ah! Yes, yes, yes.
I want to build a plane.
Don't leave without me. Don't leave without me. I'm inside somehow.
Well, guys, we gotta build ours.
I'm trying to get out.
Okay, guys, we just got some thrones and we dyed them our favorite colors.
I'm the king.
Yes.
Kylie's the queen. Ava's the princess.
No,
I want
just
a queen.
I'll be the princess then.
Okay.
Oh, both queens.
I don't want to be a queen. I'm fine.
I'm princess.
We should role play. Well, I gotta get rid of these for now. Because we kind of gotta, like, build our thing.
I see.
Okay, guys, we finished our boat. Oh my gosh, it just fell on us.
Oh.
Now we're gonna go through.
That's concerning.
I'm
Look at the
I'm the
minigun.
one driving.
Look at the minigun.
There's cakes in the water.
I can't really
There's
drive.
cakes in the water. There's cakes in the water.
What is that?
Oops.
We hit the engine.
There's cakes in the water, Kylie.
Okay. Now I can drive.
There's cakes in the water.
I know, you said that 8 times.
We don't have a form field. Oh, there's the fish. There's fishies. I know. You don't want to get hit by them.
I think I'm a pretty good driver.
Yeah. Yeah, you are.
Oh, our force fields are gone.
Yeah.
What the heck's happening?
I don't know. You guys want to switch driving? Someone can probably get out of here.
Okay. Oh, it won't let me jump. Oh wait, no, never mind. I do this. Oh, Ava,
I'll drive.
Ava wants to drive.
Ava's in there?
Yeah, Ava wants to drive.
You can. Ava, do you know how?
We get lots of money if we get to the end.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is hard. It's like
You're going backwards.
I'm trying to turn around. Don't go that way. It's moving on itself. It's not like
Ava, do you want me to drive?
I can't do this.
Do you want me to drive?
You're breaking our boat.
Yes, it is.
Okay, get it.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh.
I was not good at that.
Okay, come on, Mateo. You're going backwards.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do.
No, you don't want to go backwards. Mateo, don't try to go backwards.
I wasn't.
You just said you're
Why are
trying.
you
You literally just said that's what you're trying to do. So you can't even lie. Okay, yeah. Go forward.
I'm even better than me, so.
Okay, Mateo, would you like me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, get out. Okay, get out. What? Oh, like, I need to sit down. You can't keep moving. Are you down?
Yeah. Me and Ava are good driving.
Okay, that's how you do it. You gotta get.
But we already made it.
Our engines are gone.
But all of them?
Yeah. Yours didn't even work, Ava.
Yeah, because it only connects to one engine.
No, it connects to multiple.
Why is there big hammers? That's not in the movie theaters.
Oh.
Oh?
Good thing we didn't put that seat on the top.
Yeah, luckily.
Pardon?
We're lucky that we didn't put the chair on the top.
Well, somebody put a little stool on the top.
Not me. I don't have any stools.
Ava? Did you put that stool on top?
Yeah.
Then why are you acting? Okay, guys, we all died.
Let's try
I'm gonna
that again.
respawn it.
Yeah. Because that was bad. Try not. Me and Ava are good drivers. I'm getting my green tail. My tail.
Okay. This way. I think I'm gonna surround it with a few more blocks so we're safe.
The 2 blocks are missing.
Oh, I'm gonna put some balloons on.
2 blocks are missing.
Pardon?
Some of our floor is missing.
Why? Oh, because that was some of yours.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give you guys some switches. You guys have to press them if there's an emergency.
What do they do?
I don't know.
They look like light switches.
And I'm gonna give you a button, Mateo, because Ava got 2 switches.
Yes, go.
And I got this, and I got this.
The balloons make us fly.
I know.
Let's fly. We're flying. Why did it sound like that? No. I'm gonna go to the water.
We're gonna start soon.
You guys can just start the boat. Okay, you ready?
Nope.
And then I'll come back in. I need the door open.
I can add a few blocks as well.
If somebody wants to have a view, I'm putting a throne right here. If somebody wants to sit here.
Okay. Oh, I want that seat.
I just want to see. Not yeah, fruits.
Oh, that actually looks pretty good, Ava. Look at my screen.
We gotta be protected at all costs.
That is so cool.
Yeah, you actually get to see a nice view.
Wait, can you put a little seat back there?
Ava should have a little middle seat.
If you could fit one, then sure.
Just put a little stool.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, I have a better one here. It's comfier, or it looks better.
Oh, there's a balloon on top.
Yeah, I said that.
So cute.
I'm saving up for 405 gold so I can get legendary.
Then also put some chairs up here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the king?
Yeah, we told you that.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I forgot I was the king.
Boat. Okay, we're ready to launch.
I did. The light!
Oh.
It's stuck in the windshield. So why does everything fall off straight away?
What is happening?
We lost a force field all the way over there.
When we start, we lose force fields.
What?
Don't really know what happened.
What about, oh, there. I fixed it.
Now we just sit back and relax.
I fixed that. Put the force fields back on.
Pardon?
One of the buttons, it puts the force fields back on.
Yeah, I know. No, that's what I have. You have another one?
There's a button in the front that takes them on and off.
Oh.
No,
I don't want
I
to
guess
die
they all
like
do
last
that, so I
time.
guess we can't press them.
We're being protected.
I don't get how both the force fields are getting hit.
Me neither.
Yeah.
I feel like it should only be the one on the outside.
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's double.
Ava,
should-
the force fields aren't on. Turn them on.
We lost them.
Oh,
They're gone.
hold on. We might die again.
Well, obviously, but like, maybe we'll get farther than the cherries.
Farther than the bowling?
No, the cherries.
Just keep on doing.
It sounds like my neck's breaking.
Oh, wait, how do we have another force field? It's all the way over there. We need to wait for it to get closer to us. Okay, we're in a music room.
Yeah, we didn't do the music room last time.
We didn't?
Yeah. We skipped right to the cherries. I think. If we're close to the wall, jump, and the boat breaks, jump onto the wall.
Oh, this is kind of hard.
Why is the music note still?
But this thing at the front is not going off.
We're at the cherries.
Oh, guys, where we're sitting is starting to break.
You know.
Go, 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 go. Oh, yay, we made it.
I feel like the front's more safe.
Yeah,
The three of us just chilling here.
Kylie's the most unsafe
I
one.
think the front is
Bruh.
safer.
Oh, I can literally pull out at any moment right now.
Yeah, look. There's a big crack in the front for her.
I
Wow.
think the front's safer, y'all.
No, not for Kylie.
Oh!
Not for Kylie. Balls! We made it!
Eliminated.
Oh no, now it's not.
Now we will
Now we're in the bowling. This is gonna be hard.
Who cares
Oh,
about
it
the
just
back-
took away one of the thrones.
I know. But this boat is low-key sick.
I don't think I'm very sick right now.
Me either.
No, because the bowling balls are quite literally.
Oh yeah, so Ava almost got trampled.
You both
Should
are.
I go to the third?
I'm the safest. I'm the safest, guys. Ava.
You can, but you're gonna have to be careful about it.
Yeah, because you can
Yeah.
fall.
Because we might have a bumpy ride.
Don't. Stay up here where you might die.
Oh, we lost
We're
our
all-
engines.
Kylie's the most dangerous.
No, like I'm gonna die right now, Mateo. My walls are gone. Yep, no. Should I move?
Yeah.
Oh, my chair's gone.
I'm the only safe one.
No, I'm on the safe side.
I don't think anyone of us is safe. Whoa.
See, I'm the safest one.
No, Mateo, you gotta stop that.
I fell off.
You literally just said you're the safest one. No, I'm in Mateo's
Oh my god,
spot.
it's bombs.
Oh my gosh.
I have 100.
Ava, this is all about luck now. I'm literally right behind Ava. She's right in front of me.
Guys, and I have more of those chest things so we can put it on the boat this
Oh
time.
my gosh.
We're pretty lucky because it's only that side getting them all.
Oh, we're almost there, Ava. I think we're going to the octopus one now. Yep.
You're almost there.
Oh,
This is gonna be hard. I really don't want to
Just
die.
one more and then you're there.
Woo!
I wish
my
it
gosh.
split the gold with me.
Oh my gosh.
You're not dead, right?
Nope. Are you?
Nope.
Okay, we're kind of lucky.
I'm dead.
I'm dying. Oh, we were so close.
Well, how much gold did you guys get?
I got 72.
I got
128.
How?
No, I don't think I did. I think it's because I didn't spend my other one.
Well, guys, let's put all our chest
about-
downs on the boat.
Guys, if we all just make a box and go in it, do you think we'll all survive?
No.
That would be good, though.
Do you guys want to kind of try that?
Well, I did just say that one word.
Well, I want a front seat.
Oops.
We all want a front seat.
You just wasted that. Now it's broken. Now we can't use it again.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Now I can't get in.
Me either.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I'm
I'm
in.
in.
Okay.
Can you put the chairs back down?
I'm gonna surround this boat with chests.
And if you want to, can I use some?
You can.
Because
No, just put some now.
I quite...
Ava, do you have chests?
Oh, put some there.
I have 2 of the wing ones.
Wait, let me get up and put some on this side.
Oh my gosh. This boat is jacked out with them. I'm stuck.
I'm sitting over here.
I just put all my chests down. I have no chest left. Just look at the back. These are all my chests at the back. Most of them. Ava, look at this bridge over here. This is the most best boat in the world. How am I
Okay,
supposed
I have a stool here. Then I'll have a stool right here. What the heck just happened?
What is happening?
Who nuked us?
What this ship? Oh my gosh.
Quite literally.
Okay, and then I have a
someone nuked us.
spot like right next to me. Oh my gosh. I'm reloading it.
Now me and Mateo have to place all our stuff back, don't we? No?
Well, we just wasted our stuff, so
Yeah, we did.
it's all good now. It's fine. Okay, let's start. Ava, Mateo, get out of my feet.
Oh, I went on the wrong one. I meant to go in this.
Ava, do you want to sit with us?
No, I'm good here.
Okay.
Sit on the stool there.
Okay, somebody else has to approve it too.
I will.
I did.
Okay, let's go.
People-
Mateo!
What?
We literally just left you.
I'm still fine.
Oh, he's gonna die.
Mateo, you're gonna die.
I might not.
Me and Ava in this giant thing that looks really ugly, just vibing.
I'm just vibing too.
Yo, I think I'm gonna survive. Look at me.
Look at me. I'm just vibing right now.
We have. Whoa.
Hi guys, bye.
We're stuck.
You guys are stuck?
We gotta turn the thing back on. Oh my god.
Can you guys come back for me?
No,
Why?
because we're not.
How do you have 4 force fields?
No, I only got 2.
No,
No,
you
it's
have
4.
4.
That is 2.
That's not.
That we just lost 1. That is 2, like I'm explaining.
I'm just vibing. You guys are breaking everything for me.
You're gonna die. Me and Ava are actually like safe.
I'm so sure.
How is that getting it?
I don't know.
That's something shooting.
Mateo's literally all the way back there.
I'm vibing though. I'm literally not
At least me and Ava are safe.
I'm safe too. You guys keep on breaking the blocks for me.
So imagine Mateo lives longer than us, Ava. That's messed up.
I might literally.
Okay, we're at this one now.
And they just left me in their dust. But I'm still fine. I'm on 1 block. Oh no. There's no way if I survive this one, everybody's gonna have to like and subscribe.
Let's hope Mateo does it.
I'm not gonna. I know. Oh no, I'm making it. I quite literally. I made it. Guys, I made it.
Okay, we gotta be.
Everybody has to like and subscribe.
If Mateo makes it, everyone has to like and subscribe.
I made it to the piano one. Past that.
Okay, let's go.
I just died, but everyone should like and subscribe. For my
Oh,
effort.
Mateo just died.
For my effort.
For your effort?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm getting the epic one. Epic chest.
Ava, we're still alive.
I got a jet engine.
Me and Ava are still super safe.
Guys, look what I got. I got a jet engine. Well, I'll just wait for you guys.
Oh, the bowling ball one.
I don't like this one.
I'm gonna set off the cannon so hopefully they don't get us again.
I don't think we have any more cannons.
You
Oh
guys
yeah,
are-
our cannon is gone.
You're gonna die.
No.
You guys are dying. You guys quite.
No, we're not. I know.
Mine's full.
But mine is growing. Yours isn't full.
Basically.
There's a difference between basically full and full.
My chair's gone, my chair.
And come sit beside me. I'm safe. Oh wait, no, there's not a floor there.
I wanna launch a boat and come through.
What if we open the doors?
Yeah, I put a whole bunch of doors there just in case we went upside down.
Should I make a little boat and come to you guys?
No.
We might actually survive. Oh, maybe not.
I hope we do though. Oh my gosh. Oh no, darn it. Ava, I'm underneath the boat. Help. Okay. Wait. Oh gosh.
You're bold.
No kidding.
You're bald!
I'm so bald.
That water just wiped your head clean.
But Ava, you are not safe. Ava's literally just floating there. I put myself inside of
It was
something.
just chilling.
chillin', chillin' like a villain. Ooh. Oh, Ava, we might actually win. Oh,
Whoa.
Mateo, you just jinxed us.
I'm still alive.
No, I'm dead. Oh, Ava's died.
I'm dead. Oh. Yeah.
I got
Guys, we
72.
should make like a little separate raft
Same.
to go on in case this one breaks again, so we can just.
Okay. Bye, guys.